Hey everyone, it's Rob Nazarian with Talk Android, and we're going to show you how to set up multi-user accounts in the Nexus 10 or the Nexus 7. It works the same way. Right now, here's the Nexus 7, and it's already set up. I have 2 users, and you can add multiple users. So I can just select that user or select this user and then swipe open. But let's just show you how it's done here. Now let me just, if I go in here just to show you the lock screen itself, there's no choices, so it's just me. So let's unlock it, and whoops, I keep going there for settings, keep forgetting that. Now you go over here to users, and you can see me right here, and you want to add a user. How do you do it? So you just hit add user, and basically it says that person will go through the setup process. You know, you hand it to them and stuff. Make sure a person's available, set up now, and that's going to be the person. So it's almost as if you just turned on the device for the first time, and you know, as if there's no other user, just like you would any other device. And so you go in and you set up your Google account, and I'm going to go ahead and type this in and then be back in a second here. Alright, so I typed it in, and it's basically I'm signing in that stuff that always comes up. So here we are signing in, and then do I want to use Wi-Fi and all that location business. So we'll just go ahead and accept that. And the setup is complete, and it starts up as if it's for the first time, just like again any other tablet. This is your Google Play library and all that good stuff. So in a sense, we now have 2 users. So now I go in, and that is that person. That's my wife Jody, and I can go in here and select me, and you can see right away it changes. So it means your settings and everything else that you do, and there it is right there is a Jody, and I can go in and delete it after, and I can add more users for my kids or whatever. But all my settings as far as brightness and all that will be the same. It'll be left the same for me. Jody or any other user can set up their own stuff, and of course can have their own apps, and if the apps are the same, it'll keep its own data. So let's just go in here, and we'll go into settings. Whoops, well, I went to the wrong one. I meant to go to display quickly, but we'll just go through this way, and you can see it's already set up for automatic brightness, completely different than what I had. So she can set it up to whatever she wants, and it will be there. So it's pretty cool. And the only thing only issue I'm really having here is on the Nexus 10, it's not calling up either of our pictures. And I do have a picture avatar associated with my account. As you can see here, there is an image here on the Nexus 7, and my wife also has an image as well in her account, but it's not coming up on either one. You can go in, just so you can see here, and I haven't fooled around with it, you can go in to settings, user, and okay, so now since I'm in Jody, puts Jody up on top, but she isn't the master account. She can go in here and set up a picture right here, add an image. I don't know if that really changes your image on your main Gmail account or what it does. I haven't fooled around with it, but in any event, it's not a big deal, but I figured I'd mention it. If anybody knows how to get the exact images, the avatars up from your Gmail account, let me know. Put it in the comments. It works pretty good. There is a slight delay in when you go to change a user. Slight delay there, as you can see. Not a big deal, but it works really nice, and it's something I've been waiting for a while. So anyway, that's it. Some multi-user accounts is available in the Nexus 10 and the Nexus 7. It's only available for tablets for now. It might come to phones. I think it's useful for phones as well, but that might happen the next version of Android. Who knows? So thanks for watching. This is Rob Nazarian with Talk Android.